So taking payments in as clean as a way and automated of a way as possible is really a big game changer for a business owner. You don't want to be chasing people up for invoices and things like that. And I know a lot of people use PayPal, but one thing that's not very obvious with PayPal is how do you, let's say a business coach, for example, or you're a small business owner, let's say you have a fee that you take up front, like a setup fee or a deposit, and then you charge someone per month at a different number for say 3 months type of thing. So this video is going to show you how to do that in PayPal. And I know a lot of people I've worked with have actually struggled with this because it's not very obvious in PayPal. So let's say we come to PayPal and you are logged into your business account. I think this is only available on the business account and not a personal one, I'm not sure. But let's say you come here, pay and get paid, you say subscriptions, you're going to end up on a screen like this. So what you want to do is you create a plan. So it will ask you to create a product, like what product you want to serve, add it to. You can just create a product if you have no products. I've obviously got my automation services and stuff like that. So I'm just choosing one of those. You can say fixed pricing. And here you can kind of name it anything you want. It's a little bit annoying that you have to create a separate subscription plan every time you need to do a custom, say, deposit plus different fee. But that's just how it is on PayPal. So let's call our plan name 500 deposits plus 300 monthly type of thing. So I don't know wherever it is. So what I found works really well in this regard is, let's say we've taken the $500 deposit and then we're going to charge them 30 days from the deposit at $300 a month. So what works really well here is you say offer a trial period. So the name is obviously a little bit confusing, but you can actually charge people for a trial period. So you can say price is 500 for 1 month, one cycle. So it's essentially going to run once and it's going to be 30 days technically. And then the actual subscription period, you're going to make that 300, 1 month for 3 cycles. And if you need to add taxes and all that type of stuff, you can do that. I don't worry much about that. So that's one approach. Just before I continue, I'm going to show you, you can also do this. You can say charge a one-time setup fee and then charge 300. The difference with this is though, that means when they fill out their card details, 800 is going to go off their account straight away because it's the setup fee plus the monthly subscription. If you wanted to make it clear that it's a setup fee, you could say setup fee plus a 0 trial period of 14 of 1 month or whatever, or let's say it's 2 weeks. So you want to start charging them 2 weeks after the deposit. Then you could do something like that. And again, you could do the same thing. You could make the trial period 500 with no setup fee, for example. So you can play with all these different variations. And then if I continue, you'll see it will just ask you to confirm everything and whatnot. Turn plan on. And now I've got my plan. And now I'm going to come to copy link. So this would be the thing you actually send to people. I'm just going to pop this open in a different browser, so I'm not logged in on my own account. Say pay by credit card. So this is like the experience that someone filling out would get. And then continue as a guest. And you'll see here, just to confirm what we've set up. So you see here, it says $500 for 2 weeks, then 300 USD per month in 3 installments, and start date is today. Obviously, the amount that goes off on their card right now is only going to be 500. Let's say we did it with that setup fee, without the trial period, then it would have said 800 because it would be 500 plus the whatever your monthly subscription is. So hopefully that was useful. I know a lot of coaches that I work with in regards to automating their business and whatnot, they struggle with these type of things. And it also took me a little bit of time to work it out. So hopefully you found that useful. And if you are a business coach or a small business owner and you want to automate your business like a champ and literally add a good couple of $1,000s to your business by having all these things automated, then you can reach out to me and we can just chat and see how I can help you in those regards. But I hope this quick tutorial was useful.